Calls are mounting in St. Catherine for the Jamaica Public Service to reconsider closing its Portmore branch. At the JPS Service Center in Spanish Town, there was heightened frustration after dozens of people showed up to pay their bills at the facility. Kalisha Williams has that report.
It's a long way to get from the sidewalk to the main door of this JPS Service Center in Spanish Town, St. Catherine.
It's a wickedness. And if you burn 100,000 and when you're not burning, you have to pay it.
With news that the Portmore branch will be closing, it could mean even longer lines at this location, which will be the only JPS service office in St. Catherine come Monday. So these customers were in a rush to get their bills paid today.
You see, son, you have to pay a light bill every day. I spoke to the manager. She said they came and they measured the space. So next week, the tent will be coming. All right? I hope so too. But let me come out because you must try and social distance.
Yeah, I'm concerned about everybody, not only Portmore, every citizen in Jamaica. Because when you pay your bill at the office, you pay the exact amount. When you have to pay it at the bill express or paymaster, you have to pay extra money.
These were some of the same issues raised by residents in Portmore after the JPS announced the closure. Just yesterday, residents staged a protest in the Sunshine City calling for the center to remain open. Now, Member of Parliament for East Central St. Catherine, Orlando Terrelong, has added his voice to the conversation.
So I have written to the Jamaica Public Service. I wrote to them yesterday and I asked them, listen, you cannot close the office when you have 2,500 persons still using the office, especially in the time of COVID. There's a national surge in the COVID cases, and Kingston and St. Andrew and St. Catherine are two of the parishes that are mostly affected.
Mr. Terrelong said the process would have been easier if there were greater consultations with the public.
If you have to close the office, right, do it in a phased approach. Take another 6 months. Wait until the COVID surge is over. Wait until next year then. Get persons more familiar with your online applications. Get them more familiar with the mobile unit. Let them build up that sense of confidence. You know what I mean? That yes, they'll still get the same service. And you know what another consideration also is? JPS could have considered maybe renting a smaller office space, right? To have that face-to-face customer service in Portmore.
When we contacted the JPS on Friday, we were told the company is still proceeding with the closure of the Portmore branch on Monday. However, it is still in consultation with stakeholders. In the meantime, the JPS has advised customers to consider using other bill payment agencies. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.